going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm gonna show you how to update your iPhone software in here. Okay, let's say that you want to update because you want to rock and roll with the latest features in here that come with the latest operating system. Keep yourself updated, and most importantly that you are keeping your data and private information here secure and safe, because you know, as time keeps on passing, we do have new security measures in here that are actually implemented by Apple themselves, and this is only implemented when we update our software. So it's a crucial point to actually update our software regularly. Hey, my name is Shaq, and in this channel I help you fixing tech related issues. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now you may be asking yourself, hey Shaq, this video is about an iPhone, why do you have an iPad in here? Well, I'm gonna show you two different ways on how you can actually update your software and how it looks like in different devices. For example, I've chosen this iPad also to showcase it to you because it's a pretty old iPad model running an old operating system software. So in case you have a much older iPhone, you'll be looking at something which will be running a software that this one's running, and this one in here is an iPhone 16 Pro, which is quite recent with one of the latest operating systems. So the process of how to put it in recovery mode, for example, if you want to install it from your computer, or the process of updating is a bit different. Now in today's video I'm going to show you two different ways on how you can update your software. One is the easiest and automatic way, and the other one is the manual way. Now the manual way has its own advantages because we actually download the operating system separately from the device and then we install it manually using a computer. That is very useful in situations where your phone is corrupted or your phone is disabled and available where you do not have access to your phone. Now the very basic way of updating your software, of course, is first of all you need to ensure that you have at least 40% of battery left on your phone so it doesn't turn off throughout the installation process. You want to make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi and running a good internet speed. You want to hop into settings real quick in here, scroll down, tap on general under general category, and then you want to go straight to software update, and you want to search for updates to see if there's a pending update that needs to be done. Okay, so all you want to do is just sit back, wait and relax until you find an update in here. So once you find an update, all you want to do is tap to select and to update. This will download the operating system from the internet. It's gonna store within your iPhone, and then you'll be good to go to update your iPhone device. Now this is the very first method in here. Now the second method, you're gonna need a computer. This can be a MacBook, it can be a Windows operating system, no problem at all, as long as you are actually having a cable as well as a laptop device. So in my case, I've got in here my MacBook device, and I'm gonna show you how to perform it both in Windows as well as MacBook operating systems, just the way I've told you right now. So if you do have a Windows operating system, you need to download iTunes immediately straight away. Okay, so you need to download iTunes from Apple's official website, and then you need to install iTunes to your computer. Now if you do have a MacBook like mine in here, you do not need to actually download iTunes because iTunes has been discontinued here for MacBook devices, and all you need to do is simply connect your phone and you're good to go. Right? For example, in my case in here, I've got my Type-C cable in here, so all I'm gonna do is plug it into my iPhone device, and then I'm gonna plug the other end into my MacBook device real quick in here. There we go, I've already plugged it in. It's gonna ask me, you'll probably see a pop-up which will ask you whether you wanna trust the device or not, and then once you're done doing that, you simply need to hop into Finder and then simply select here the device at the left corner. Next up, you'll see an option in here which says check for update. That's all you want to do. You want to tap in there to start checking for an update to see if you can update your iPhone device. Now, if you have iTunes on a Windows PC, process is exactly the same, but instead of opening up Finder, you're going to open up iTunes and you'll be able to see here the exact same screen which asks you to check for updates in order to update your operating system. Same thing with the iPad in here, okay? Same thing, same process with the iPad. Now, in case you are in a much deep situation where you do have a corrupted device, okay, all you want to do is actually put your phone in recovery mode and then connect it to your computer. For example, if you are in a situation where you don't even have access to your phone is not turning on or something like that, and you want to install a fresh new operating system, what you need to do is, for example, if you have an iPhone 8 or later models, you want to rapidly tap on volume up, volume down, and then press and hold the power button. Okay, keep on pressing the power button, keep on pressing it, and once it turns off, you want to immediately connect the USB cable in here. Okay, it's a Type-C cable. Keep on pressing the power button, and while it's connected to your computer, okay, so just want to wait for a couple more seconds and you'll be brought to this screen in here. Release the button and it says restore mode. It's a recovery mode that allows you to actually install from scratch a new operating system, right? So here we go. As you can see, we now do have update button right there, and we can simply tap on update. So this is how you update in case it doesn't turn on at all. Once you're done updating it, simply disconnect it from your iPhone device and your phone will boot up normally. Same thing happens here with your iPad. For example, I've got a pretty old iPad in here, and if you've got an old iPad or an old iPhone, for example up to iPhone 6 with a physical home button in here, all you want to do is turn it off, connect it into your computer, plug in the USB cable, and as soon as you plug it in, press and hold the home button in here. Okay, let it turn on while you're pressing and holding the home button in here, and once you see the screen, you're going to release the home button and your iPhone or your iPad will be in this same page in here. So you just want to tap on update and start the update process in here. So once you're done updating your software in here, this is how your screen will look like. You've got a hello screen in here. Slide it to the right and then select the language, the location where you are located in here, and then simply continue here with the wizard in order to set up your iPhone from scratch in here. For example, let me quickly go with United States in here, and then it's going to ask me to connect to the internet or a Wi-Fi network to activate my iPad or iPhone in here. Process is exactly the same with a different iPhone as well. So this is how you update your iPhone or iPad or a much newer or older device using both two methods. One, using the settings page, and the second one, using your computer in here. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts. I would like to deeply thank all of you guys for supporting the YouTube channel Fixed by Shaq. We're now crossing 40,000 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without you guys. The main aim of this channel is to help people fix tech-related issues so you can save up some money and avoid paying high fees for something that you can do on your own. If you find my content useful here, do not forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment below, and also share with your friends the videos here which are in the YouTube channel, because by doing so you're actually helping the channel growing and to reach out to more people and ultimately help more people fixing tech related issues. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.